Kangbukpi Police Station na Manipur wi mathamai thuigichi Police Station Award sampang haira. WBF World Junior Championship li Manipur wi technical official Shinau Kharay sada Olijan A Shimreina watsang haira. Lekhangator Tangkhul Express TV wi pau Ayahclear ina pamid lei pawing mai saina nganangramsa. Kangbukpi Police Station na Manipur wi mathamai thuigichi Police Station Award sampang haira. 2025 wuivang Best Police Station in Manipur ngasada Kangbukpi Police Station li prestigious DGB Manipur Trophy mi haira. Machuchi aya 134th Manipur Police Rising Daily miya. Award china station chui operational od mathada kasa public service li ningdongda kasa gala police station we od kasali kateina tamkhui kapai chanjam ngasaya kachi chitheya. Station chui team officer in charge Inspector H Gibjan na thanda yangasangna. Machuchi Manipur Director General of Manipur na Chishat mida DGB office we azingli screening committee na statewide evaluation saga hai withili kamina. Mathamai thuigachi Kangbukpi Police Station withili City Police Station Imphal West na gakhane Bishnupur Police Station na gakatumali zanga. Rising Day kamayon agaya akasada Kangbukpi District Police na station apam chuli synthetic badminton court chohaira. Facility ji police personnel bingwe alungli physical gala mental fitness promote saki gajina. Court chi shokmi aina ngasoda Kangbukpi District Police Badminton Tournament Kharay kwika haira. Station jina kokasada hotnara masot mida award chi team chi professionalism gala dedication chitheya da additional SP SL kamkho hauna hanga. DGB Award Best Police Officer Machut Imphal West wi Inspector Guna Chandra Janamli Mihaira. Yonex Sunrise WBF World Junior Championship 2025 Guwahati Assam Lerung Mihaira. Ngahanji Gachang Hiwi Tarik Taruk Eina Hapokta Ayat Tharada Jiko Thang Kopsanga. 2008 edition Witili International Championships Chi Rungkami Ajihina Gakane Ngasaya. Championships Chili technical officials Manipur wi Eina Mati Watsanga. Ukhrul District wi Wolijan A Shimri, Imphal East District wi A Laiba Meitei, Imphal West District wi Tomrex Hotam, Kala Chandel District wi Gulwar Rol Atum technical officials Vada Wagazangna. Badminton World Federation na Makok Kami International Championship Chili technical officials that sada Wagazang Manipur wi Shinau Jaili Hunpunau Olijan A Shimreina Kharayna. Olijan A Shimri hi Badminton Association of India National Umpire Akana. Manipur wi Shyam Kumar Indian contingent wi team manager sada Nghanjali Wagazang National Team li Yangsangmia. Awi Gatan Gala experience na global stage li India wi kapanga gala disciplined presence khalei li mathalak eina contribute samia da hanga. Manipur wi kakhane A3 Classic State Level Open Bodybuilding ngahanli Tangkhul naw na maikha sampang haira. All Manipur Bodybuilders Association na gatom khami azingli A3 Fitness na aya state level ngahan men's and women's Bodybuilding and Physique Championship 2025 rungmiya. Angaran angayeji Sangit kala Sangam Kharay Sajol Lekai li Kwikaya ngahan chiwi women's bodybuilding li Pongcham now Tashim Payreina Kakhaneli Kazang Maikaya Sampang Haira. Women's model physically Gazipungwi Chingri Kabaina Kamate Baurina Pila Yangyana Gatru Gali Kazang Sampanga. Manipur wi Washim Bingli Diwali Shuti Tarik Magada Akatang Mira Gachi Education Department na Gachishat Kami Shokhaira. Education Schools Department na Circular Gashogli Kahang CPSE li affiliate Kasa Gentria Vidyalaya Katha Washim Kaikhana Diwali wuivang Aja Tarik Magatang Shuti Jishat Kami le Hawa Manipur li Diwali Tarik Magada Akatang Mayonra da Hanga General Administration Department na General Holidays Jishat Kami Atishuda Jitang Gacha Tadhara Tarik Magada Agatang Washim Bing Shudi Sara the Department Jina Tarkami Shoka. Arunachal Pradesh shong armed insurgents na tukhui hai kasa laborers khanili Assam Rifles Khonsa Battalion na Longting Police li ngshikta wakan khui haira mi khani jili NSCNK wi mina tukhui haina da hanga. Official reports with Atishuda outfit chui mi shini jishat na MS Agarwal Construction Company wi mi khani tukhui haina mi ji Tirap District Tadam Circle Village Lahuli Shongfu Gsem Project Ot Kasali Kazangna. Tukhui Gahai ji Ajahon Tarik Tarada Jishatanga Zin Pungmati Shikali Kashokna ji. Pau Gasha Aina Khonsa Battalion Aina Longting Police na Ngalang the Joint Rescue Operation via. Mi Khani Jali Wakushok Khawai General Area Niza Ke Nokna Trek Kala General Area Ngiknu Ke Nokna Trek Li Nongrim Ngaranna. Ngaya Bongda Hon Laga Ayang Ator Bong Taruk Tananai Dim Akali Insurgents na Naumai Gabra Sayochi. Tukhui Gahai Khani Jui Safety Wuivang Paning the security personnels na controlled small arms Kala mortar fire Aina Han Kayachi. Chithada Ngakap Ngoro Gahai Witili Pavalaga laborers Kanili Masazilla Kankhuya da Hanga. Officials na confirm Kasa rescue operation ji Zatfudale. Forces na insurgents Pingchili Pakhui Kawai Sadalei da Hanga. Manipur Police we Shakha Tumrada Commander Rising Day Parade Aya 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Crown Imphali Kwika Haira. Manipur Governor Ajay Gumar Balana Maso Sada Parade conditions inspects high. Angaran Angyejali MLA's Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal, Secretary Advisor Kuldeep Singh, Director General of Police Rajiv Singh, Kala Senior Police Officer Ping Bazanga, Governor Balana Manipur Police we Kaping Professionalism Kala Yari Ping Wuivang Otram Ngatu Kamili Musot Mia. Manipur Police not law and order Gahai organized crime Kala drug trafficking li Kangasung Kala police safety li Kangasakli Governor na Maya Kangai Pongshoga. Modern infrastructure advanced training Kala welfare measures and a police force maling may Sagra Gachi Shogari Ningring Governor na Hangsanga. Manipur Police na Ot Manga Khuig highly so Kangai Pongshokta force China extremism li Kangasung operations illegal pobi lui shimit Khawai Kasa Kala modernization and welfare initiatives li Manga Dalei Gachi Governor na Hanga. State Kala Manipur Police li International Sporting Maikaya Kuyung Kami Additional SP Saikom Miraba Janu Kala Norem Roshi Bina Devili Governor Balana congratulate Saya. Angaran Angejli Manipur Police Sports Club Skill Show Jithia. Panit Panao Atam Security Maling Maida Khalei Alungli Tribura Shong PSF na illegal immigrants Magada Akatukui Haira Chile Rohikyas Tarazanga. BSF teams na state police kala government railway police ling shikta Agardala railway station west Tribura district li illegal immigrants zatkasa take huina. Atum Bangladeshi we aina illegally ragazang na chi. Kala India we apam kataili wakawai sagasana the BSF Tribura frontier na kahang PTI pau sampanga. Assam we pado blizang the khalei kachunga under triers na the legal proceedings kala pre-trial detentions le atam kazangwi sakashi khalei chithei haira. Ministry of Home Affairs we official data atishuda Assam we prison population 71% shikwa convict masaranga kachi pingna. 2023 kayon kachangli taikakui Assam le 10,652 inmates le chewing a chili 7,546 na under triers na kala 3,096 mang convicted na Assam we hi national trend lingaria nationally prison population 73% na under triers na 25.6% mang na convicts na da hanga Assam we inmates kachunga mayor now na convicts nga chili 3,020 na mayor now 76 na shunao under triers being 7,217 mayor now na 329 shunao na convicted inmates 3,025 na Assam we mina 64 na India states kate we mina 7 na foreign nationals na Under triers li 6,705 na Assamese, 778 na Indian states katewi, 63 na foreigners na. Under trier prisoners kayakha kachunga ji legal system li kashoi khalei, maleilak na triers atam kazang, legal 8 mathada masam kapang, kala bel kasa kapay offenses li sangmai, tuknar kapam hikatha ji jiteya da criminal justice advocates ping na hanghaira. Assam we gaze hina national khangacha jiteida khangajay thakda kwira khawai dakar saya da jiteya. Thakamai judicial processes underprivileged pingwe legal minganin mathakamai mi henda kapam malai khawai bell systems mathamai khawai dakar gasa la ayinwe azingli yonjao haira gachi mathairang gachi mi pingwe mashun ngak khami dakar gasa expect pingna hanghaira. Laduida ajui kamataya baubing. Kangbukpi Police Station na Manipur wi mathami thuigichi Police Station Award sampanghaira. WBF World Junior Championship li Manipur wi technical official Shunau Kharay hada Olijan A Shimreina watsanghaira. Ajui pau hilinga changaira pau ngana da klei Nathum saikorali ringa phakala khamahaya zimikshong sa serino.